Good evening to all. My name is A. Nami from DGSWR JC by Shrikananda. Good evening all. My name is B. Satish from Unanas. Carbon purification model working. Carbon purification model is relevant for carbon pollinates. Either from industrial emits activated carbon for purification. In industry, this can in industries, this can involve capturing and storing carbon dioxide or using filters and scrubbers to remove from gases. In filterization of low carbon into highly processed activated carbon through washing, drying off and carbonization, creating a large surface area that traps contaminants from air or water. Thank you. Which companies are releasing that gases will go in this box, that the box have cotton, that cotton filter the carbon and that carbon will give pure air. When some companies are releases gases, that gases will go into the box, the box that box have cotton which filter the carbon and that carbon the carbon will pure air into atmosphere. Here the carbon was filtered, that carbon used in many ways, that was printing papers. Printing papers, in printing machines.
పెద్దగా పెట్టేం కాదు అది చూపి అది ఓపెన్ చేయాలి అది చూపి ఒకసారి వీడియో చూపి ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడు పెట్టుకుందాం ఇప్పుడు ఈ గ్యాస్ దాంట్లో ఓకేనా సో ఏమంటే ఫైనల్
This is very useful to atmosphere and reducing the chlorophyll. Thanks. We can reduce the carbon dioxide in the nature. Thank you. Thank you.